All right, so we have the park in the background. We're in the mountains. I waited. I didn't do this on the plane to not embarrass my wife, but it's time for a wardrobe change. Woo! Yeah, baby. This summer, my wife Maria and I took a trip to see some of my favorite national parks. Our itinerary included 3 amazing parks, Glacier, Yellowstone, and Grand Teton, all in one fantastic trip. And to top it all off, we rented a van for 10 days of van life adventure. Our plan was to fly into Bozeman, Montana, and drive up to Glacier for a few days, drive down to Yellowstone for another few days, and then finish it off in Grand Teton for yet another few days. Now that you know what we're doing, let's get to it.
We're in a freaking van, dude. We finally got this van. We got here at Bozeman like 20-30 minutes ago. Haven't even looked at everything in the van. We're here in the Walmart parking lot. It's been a long day of travel. So we're gonna check everything out. Then we're gonna go get our stuff, head up to Glacier, and then we'll check in. Also, we saw a guy arrested in the parking lot. So Maria is barely in the frame because I'm having a hard time with this phone mount. But where we go? We're heading to Glacier finally. We got our groceries at Walmart. That's pretty much it. We probably have some altitude sickness.
Yes, and we're gonna stop and eat Helena's if it's on the way. I'm gonna go check out the stuff there.
We're gonna roll into our campsite at a cool 10:30 probably at least.
So that's fine.
Yeah.
Because we can wake up and be surprised by the view.
Yep.
Or lack thereof, we'll see. And it's nice to just enjoy the views now.
Alright, we did not vlog last night because it was friggin' late and we just went out to sleep.
We're up for 23 hours.
Yeah, baby. But yeah, we're here, we're up, we're gonna get some breakfast and go to the park. Maria just saw her first glimpse of the park. What do you think?
Oh, it's stunning.
It's gorgeous.
It's beautiful. I can't wait to actually get in the park itself.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are finally in the park. We got kind of a late start this morning, but we were exhausted, so we needed to sleep in just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. We slept until 7, so it's not like we slept the day away. But it's 10 o'clock finally. We're here at Wild Goose Island, about to look at it, and we're gonna go up to Logan Pass and just see where the day takes us. Our campsite is at Fish Creek, which is near Apgar on the west entrance. We came in on the east entrance. I thought I booked the campsite on the east entrance, so that was my bad. I just missed on that. That's okay. So, what? Isn't it pretty? What do you think of the park?
It's so freaking pretty.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
So we're heading out we're gonna go maybe see some waterfalls, do some hikes. We kind of got recommended by the park rangers. No, we said the gift shop worker told us. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
I'm pretty positive that that's where we're about to go. We're about to go across this like kind of marshy area on the side of St. Mary Lake. We're gonna see hopefully 3 waterfalls. So let's go see them. This is a first for me. I don't know if it is for you. Like, I've never gone on a hike where I've like seen my destination in the like foreground or background.
Yeah, because in Georgia everything is covered with trees.
That's right, and we like it that way.
Since there was a fire, everything has been, all the greenery is gone, which is a pretty awesome view, unfortunately.
Yeah. I mean, you can still see it from the road even without the fire, I think. But yeah, we're stoked. I mean, it's like 2 miles, something like that. So I've seen it through the binoculars. I've seen it through the zoom on the camera. But I want to see it up close. No way they're about to jump in that. She's got a bathing suit on. Yeah. Water's so blue.
I know.
There's a couch. It's nature's couch.
What?
You gotta sit on nature's couch with me.
It's a sectional.
Nature's sectional, excuse me.
This is so beautiful.
I
Just
know.
turn the camera. Just
Alright.
hold the camera.
Yeah, baby. Yeah,
Not to get political, but how could you want to sell this to drill for oil?
that's true.
Like, just leave it as it is.
True.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. I know. It's wet and cold.
But pretty.
It's gorgeous.
Look how foggy everything is on it. All right, so the river water was actually not that cold, honestly. Let's touch the lake. It's not bad either. This is colder, I think, than the stream. Wow. I'm coming. Immersed in the tranquility of one of the most beautiful places on Earth, we made our way back to the van to continue our adventure onward into the park. In the next episode, we're heading up to Logan Pass to hike up to Hidden Lake. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll come back next week to see the next installment in our adventures, because it only gets better from here. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to check out the other adventuring content on my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.